I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the...
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jamie and thanks so much for stopping by. Today, I am doing my last snack crate with you guys for a while, just because of health reasons and me trying to get back onto my healthy diet. I'm just gonna kind of suspend my snack crate boxes for a little while. But before we get into this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. This is gonna be my last snack crate just for a little while. As most of you guys know from my last videos, I'm starting a new fitness program. I'm kind of on suspension right now because I can't hear out of this year and I just got over strep throat, and it's just, there's a lot of health issues going on right now. But honestly, the snack crate to me right now is just, I mean this in the best way possible, a waste of money since I just don't have, I'm just not using them is the easiest way to explain it. So if you have any ideas on something else I can do, like another monthly subscription that you guys would like to see me do, let me know in the comments down below. All right, so this says Shalom, Jamie? Shalom, Jamie. I don't know, but we're gonna see. All right, so snack crates. And we are going to, ooh, turkey, hey! Now, I will say I've had turkey before, but the last time I talked to SnackCrate, I think was a couple of months ago, they said that they do go again for the second time in a year. You may get two of the same country but different snacks. So this is actually my second time getting turkey, but hopefully they're different snacks than what it was like a couple months ago when I did this video. So again, just in case any of you guys do not know what SnackCrate is, it's a monthly subscription of items that are anywhere between 6, 8 you get. I get the cheapest one, which is $14.99. It comes with select items anywhere between sour food, chocolate, savory food. I'm more of a savory girl, so the chocolate I eat, but I normally get to somebody else. So it's cool because SnackCrate gives you like this information of like fun facts, candy, or what the products are that you're about to taste. But y'all know I don't look at that. What the population is, what the capital is. So a lot of these fun facts that you may not ever know are in these cool little snack crates. And then it says hashtag Shalom to kind of tell you that when you're doing it through, you know, Instagram, Twitter, hey, hashtag blah blah blah, hashtag SnackCrate. So I always enjoy these. My favorite part, as y'all know, are the stickers. They're just so cute. I've kept every last one and I still will continue to keep them just because I'm a sticker person and I really like them, and I like that they're all just so unique. But let's get into it. Of course, I first see fries, two different types of fries. I appreciate you, turkey. All right, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's so cute. Oh, it's called FT Puff Poof. I don't know. A spicy cracker. All right. I don't know what this says. The spicy cracker. I don't know. They don't smell very good. So it looks like this. It's like super, super, super thin.
I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know.
There's no spice. I don't even know how to describe this to you. I don't taste any spice. I don't taste any herbs. I taste something that don't taste good. Next. Okay. This thing is like so cute. I just have to open it. Do you guys see that? Alright, so this is Itty. Itty. Puff. Hopefully you guys can see that for my ring light. Try not to get my ring light in it. Alright, so it looks like a little cookie. Little puff, little pastry. Oh, it smells. Okay, so whatever it is, it's on a piece of a cookie. Oh, it's so cute. Got little sprinkles.
Drunk in room 308, and it's getting kinda late. I wish I could just call you up. I'm alone in room 308. Yeah, are you awake? Wish I could call you. I'm gonna call you.
Okay, this is the inside. Taste good, but it tastes like a moon pie, and I don't like moon pies. So we're gonna put that right back in there, and I'm gonna get that Ferrero. So it doesn't taste bad as these, but it's still not something that I like. So I'm gonna get a medium, like a here versus a here. So hopefully something else in this pile of stuff that I've gotten from Turkey will actually go, yeah. Because right now it's going, moving on. Alabini. Oop, close. I don't know what that means. Okay, smells like milk chocolate. Okay. It's more chewy than it is hard, so I appreciate that. It does have milk chocolate all around. It does have caramel. I would say this is more of a soft cracker than an actual like hard cracker, so I appreciate that. It smells good. It tastes good. Will I finish this? No. So I'm gonna give that a thumbs up. I'm definitely gonna give that because it wasn't bad. I didn't want to throw it up like the other ones. So I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. I might as well just get these other ones out of the way because I'm not feeling them. Stick crackers with cheese. So this one was stick crackers, spicy crackers. So spicy, cheese. The other one didn't even have any spice. Like if you go say spicy, I'm gonna need something spicy, okay? It's just like when we went to the Bob Marley's tribute restaurant that was in Orlando, and I got the jerk chicken, and the lady was like, oh, it's spicy, are you sure you're okay with that? And I'm looking at her like, yeah, I'm fine with that. My husband is Bayesian and Guyanese, so I officially know what spice is, okay? Okay? So when I got it, I was like, this ain't even spicy. What's she talking about? Can I add some more like jerk spices on this? Because this ain't spicy. I ain't mad at these ones. They're the same. They ain't bad. I can taste the cheese. I like these. I like these stick crackers with cheese. Next one is called a cup. I don't know. Oh, okay, okay. Looks like this. Immediately when I did that, I got like a whiff of banana. So. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. It's sweet, but it's not too sweet. The flavor that I'm mostly getting is like the banana flavor versus the chocolate versus the cake. We have two more. That's cat tat. Catty cat tat. No? Okay. Look at it. It looks like a little apple tart. Okay, okay. Okay, the top just fell off. Okay. This is what it looks like. Smells apple cinnamony. It's not bad. I think it just kind of stinks because it's like broken, like it's shattered, and that's probably because of travel. But it's not bad. It's got a like a thin layer of chocolate, and the rest is like a puff pastry. It just kind of stinks because you're having to like try to put it together like a sandwich kit. The last one is chocolate with 27% hazelnut. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has individual 4 little pieces. You can just break it. So like little individual pieces.
Away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy?
This is so good.
Just wanna call you.
It's so good. That one was like 2 thumbs up and an elbow. If I had to choose this one and another one, I would say these two. These two right here. Alright, you guys, well, that is it. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me today. If you're not already and you'd like to be, please subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure that you hit the notification bar down below so you know when I upload a new video. As always, I love you guys and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!
Room 308, and it's getting kinda late. I wish I could just call you up.